What's up, y'all? So I've been shooting some paint down the side. It looks okay. Needs another coat right here, but so just taking the Dupli school bus yellow and just kind of going over it, and it brings the color back pretty good. Looks real good up here. So yeah, anyway, so this is what I did today. We've got that mounted today. Tuck that wire up in there a little bit more, but yeah. A really nice backup beeper. It was originally up here, and I just didn't like it up there. It looked kind of rough, so it looks stupid. So I mean, it looks better there, I think, and it sounds good. Hang on, we'll go light it up. Another thing I'm fixing to do is the big 7-inch lights are going to be brake light only instead of tail and brake. So we'll just have the 2 tail light system. I thought I would make it look retro. So the big brake lights will be just brake lights, and the bottom ones will be brake and tail. So I've got the fixtures. I just need to get, I'm waiting on bulbs to come in. But anyway, let's see here. Let's put some hazards on just so you guys have some flashers. And yeah, we got backup beepers now. Fuckers are loud too. Jeez, it's loud. But all right. So now, when we back up, we'll be safe. So, anyway, then I plan on getting, I've got a replacement cluster. I think I'm going to swap it in because half the bulbs don't work on this one. And the circuit board may be bad too, because when you shut the motor off, the brake pressure light comes on like it's supposed to. But, the parking brake light doesn't work, so I'm also going to pull the steering wheel and straighten it out. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.